They say if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning.
Newly emancipated from a toxic relationship.
It's not a party without a little drama, am I right?
Hi, boys.
Harley Quinn is on the road to redemption.
I'm just a terrible person, I guess.
Getting her priorities in order.
I haven't had breakfast yet.
Learning to survive.
I have the best idea.
And hoping to thrive.
Are we ready?
In this series, we're celebrating the most important meal of the day.
Breakfast, anyone?
Morning morsels to munch along with your favourite characters.
How do you like your eggs?
It's time to serve. The Breakfast Club.
I'm thinking about breakfast. Egg, bacon, American cheese, soft, toasted, buttered roll. Just a dash of hot sauce. Not too much, Sal. I want to taste the cheese. What a way to start my new life. With the perfect egg sandwich. You're a lifesaver, Sal. Now we're good for the 75 cents, okay? I promise.
Now what do we got here? It looks like a ciabatta style bread. I love a ciabatta. It's super easy as there's no need for, kneading.
You are so cool.
But you do have to be on call to give it a little love and attention.
I love you both equally.
This dough is tastiest if you cold prove it in the fridge overnight. So for best results, this recipe starts the night before.
What?
Measure out 300 millilitres of lukewarm water. I'm going to weigh it to make sure that it's accurate. Drop in a teaspoon of fast action dried yeast and give it a sec to make sure that the yeast hasn't croaked it.
This guy's dead, so I'm just gonna get out of your hair, cool?
In a large bowl, we need 375 grams of strong white bread flour and a teaspoon of kosher salt. This is best for bread as it's got more protein, so it develops more gluten, producing a stronger dough with good stretch.
That felt pretty great.
That means it's going to trap air well, producing a light texture with pockets of air bubbles inside. Sounds like a ciabatta to me. Bring everything together with a fork. Once that's come together, cover and leave the bowl in a warm place for about an hour until it's doubled in size. Instead of kneading our dough, we're going to do a series of stretch and folds.
What?
Using wet hands, pull the dough from the edge into the centre. Work your way around the bowl until all the dough has been folded into the middle. Now cover and leave to prove in the fridge overnight. We're going to do a second round of stretch and folds, exactly the same as before. Cover the bowl and give it 30 to 60 minutes in a warm spot until it's doubled in size. Right about now, you may have a little bit of deja vu.
You're right.
But it's time for a third and final round of stretch and folds.
Are you serious?
Again, cover and leave to prove for 30 to 60 minutes or until doubled in size. This is a very hydrated and sticky dough, so you need a lot of flour to make sure it doesn't stick. Shape a rough rectangle and then divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. Grab some parchment paper and then lay the rolls down on the paper. We're going to cover the dough with a clean and dry tea towel and give it a final 30-minute prove. You will be very relieved to know that that is the end of proving.
Are you sure?
Spritz the bread with a little water. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes in a 210 fan oven. Leave the rolls to cool first, and then let's assemble.
Thought we could build something beautiful together.
Soft, toasted, buttered roll. Egg. American cheese. Just a dash of hot sauce.
Not too much, Sal. Want to taste the cheese?
Bacon. What a way to start my new life with the perfect egg sandwich.
And that, my friends, is the perfect egg sandwich.
Finally.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and drop a little egg emoji down below. You can find all our recipes and any equipment used in this video on our website, linked in the description box below. And remember, the first rule of Bike Club is, you talk about Bike Club.